Alright, so my braid pattern is relatively simple. I've got leave out here. I haven't done crochets in a while, but I want to make sure that my leave out, don't do that, let that go. So these are my 2 leave outs that I'm going to have out, and then I have smaller braids in the front that are connected to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 braids in the back, and I'm just going to crochet these into each other. Alright, the hair, I am using the, Lulutress pre-looped 3 times chunky twist out 10-inch color 1. It's a lot. I got 4 bags, but I thought I only needed 3, so I just kind of left this in the bag. The other ones, I did do the conditioner method. For those that are new, I condition all my hair before I install it. It's not hard. Take a bowl of water, put conditioner in it, sit it in there, let it sit for a day, take it out, let it air dry, and you're good to go. So that's what this is. This is a 10-inch. I wanted it a little shorter. Like I said, I got 4 bags, but I only conditioned 3, so I'm hoping 3 will work. So now that we're done with the pleasantries, let's get started with this install. Okay, so I am done with the front. I've always, well, lately I've liked to do, I have a preference to do the front first, just simply because I get tired. Crochet braids are not the easiest thing to do. I don't mean easy as in like hard or complicated. I mean like this gets annoying. So I like to do the front first because that's the part that most people are going to see, and then I tie it up and focus on the back. So let's get a clip for that. I don't think I'm going to need 3 packs of hair, just simply because so there's 3 of these that come in a pack, so 3 of these is 1 pack, hence the 3 times. And I've only had to use 2 of these to do the front, so I still have 1 of these and then an entire second pack. An entire second pack to do the back. So I think I'm only going to need 2 packs of hair, which works great because I think I got this for, I think it was $8.99. I got it on Ebony online. Yeah, I got Ebony online for $8 or $9.99. So if I'm only using 2 packs of hair, then that's only 20 bucks. Which means I can then repeat this style. Assuming everything works out right, I can repeat this style again. So let's finish up the bag, or let's start and finish the bag, and then we'll see exactly how much hair I had to use. But like I said, I only used 2 of these up here. I separated it into 3 and then 4 different times. Some of the curls are thicker than others, and you've seen that if you're doing crochet braids. So some of the curls they have on here are thicker than other ones. The thicker ones I separated into 4. The not so thicker ones I only separated into 3, and then I looped it 3 times. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then you knot it. So I don't know if 2 knots is actually going to secure the hair, even though I did the conditioner method. It's just I don't know, a silky, it's just a different type of textured hair. So I would loop it through, and I would do 3 times before I knotted it. I would separate it 3 or 4 times, and like please don't put this one big ass curl in your hair, because it's not going to stay. And I've had a couple of people ask me, hey, my hair is not staying. I was like, well, how much are you separating it? Oh, I'm not separating it. Okay, I'm gonna need you to separate it. It works better. So let me stop talking and finish up the back for you guys, and also paint my face because it looks a mess. So let's finish up. Alright, so I am done. I just had it up in a bun while I painted my face. My hair, just FYI, my hair was straightened before I did this, so as the front part of my leave out might not be as curled as I would want it to be, because it's only been a couple of hours. So it will get more curled as the weeks goes on. So I'm just going to simply unravel this. I put a little conditioner on it, and then I twisted it just to kind of bring back some curls. So we'll see if a couple hours. Yeah, I mean, it's a decent size. I still need to do some work on it. So I'm just going to unravel this and then take the hair down. I don't think I'm going to need to cut it because it's only 10 inches and that's about the length that I wanted. So unless I'm framing it or getting rid of some flyaways, I don't think I'm going to have to do a lot of cutting, which is what I love. And I know it's a lot of what you guys love, because if you're like me, I'm not a big fan of like cutting a lot of inches off hair that I just bought. So I'm just gonna take the hair down, and then I'm just using my fingers to kind of untangle it some more. And when I mean untangle, I mean separate the curls some more. That's going to lead to a bunch of flyaways, but that's not anything that I can't cut. And this is something that I do every day. So my routine, my nighttime routine, is to just simply put it up in the bun that you guys saw, or like a high pony. Let me show you guys the hair. So this is just all the hair that I just got out. So my nighttime routine is to, like I said, put this up in, most of the time it's a bun or a high pony, and then put a scarf on it, and then in the morning I take it down and just do this every day. So because this is synthetic hair, you're going to have hair that comes out every single day. It just is what it is. The longer the hair, the longer you have your hair in, you're probably going to need to eventually add some more hair because, I mean, it doesn't grow back. So once you take it out, it's out. So you might need to grow back, not grow, you put some more hair in throughout your, depending on how long you have it. I normally don't see that because I don't have my crochets in that long. They could last that long, and when I was growing my hair out, I definitely did have them in longer. Now that my hair is grown out, I don't know, I just like to switch my styles up a little bit more than most people do. So I'll have mine in for 2.5, 3 weeks, and then I'll just take it out and try another one. So that's mine. When people ask how long my crochet lasts, the crochets that I do can typically last you, I wouldn't say any more than 4 weeks. I wouldn't leave anything in my hair for more than a month. I wouldn't leave anything in my hair for more than a month. And people's like, oh, well, what if, or what about? That's 4 weeks. Your hair has been braid, plaited. Take it down and let it breathe. So I would say typical crochet can last you anywhere between 3 to 4 weeks. More so on the 3 weeks, I would think, than on the 4 weeks. So I'm just separating it. I like my part to be on this side, so I'm just moving a little bit of my hair over so you can kind of see. Another reason why I like a little bit of leave out is so that you can't actively see like all the knots, like the crochet knots. I used to do invisible root method, and every now and then if I have a lot of time, I'll do the invisible root method, but it's annoying and it's time consuming, so it's easier for me just to leave some of my hair out. One, because I think I've mentioned it before, I'm kind of trying to let my edges grow back a little bit because they're not gone, but I got a feeling that they're thinking about leaving, and I don't want them to go nowhere. So I've been leaving my edges alone doing crochet braids. So I'm just going to leave my edges out and then not have to worry about the invisible root method. So, alright. So we have this all, make sure I get the back. This side. And yeah, this is something that I do every day, just simply because by the time you put your satin cap on it and then lay on it for 8 hours, it gets really flat. So, who's at my door? Alright, I have a question. I'm gonna cut my phone on vibrate, but we have a Ring doorbell, and you know, the purpose of a Ring doorbell is to let you know if somebody's at your front door. Well, we don't stay on a busy street, but we stay on like a semi-decent street. And if there's like a big truck, like an 18-wheeler, or the garbage truck, any big truck that comes by, my doorbell will go off. It says, hey, somebody's at the front door. Is mine the only one that does that, or is mine defective? I need to take it back. Y'all let me know if you have a Ring doorbell, because it rung and I legit just saw a UPS truck just drive by. So y'all let me know. Okay, let me give you guys a 360 so that you guys can see it. So this is the front, side, this is the back, side, and then the front. So like I said, because this is a 10-inch and I like big poofy hair, I don't think I'm going to have to do a lot to it. There are some flyaways here. This one's a little long, so it's just basically picking at the flyaways. I don't even think I need to frame it to my face. What do you guys think? I think it's, I don't know, I think it looks pretty good. My mirror is right here, so I keep looking over here. Sorry guys. I normally try to put my mirror like right here so it looks like I'm looking at you guys, but I'm looking at the mirror. But I was pressed for time, so I didn't feel like moving it, so I just have like a little small mirror. So So yeah, this hair, because it is a 10-inch, I didn't really have to do a lot of like cutting any at all. I legit just only did a couple of flyaways. Now, I'm not one to immediately put a stamp of approval on crochet. I'm trying to wait and give you guys a review because a lot of you guys were saying, sis, you do the install and then we never know how great the hair turns out, and sometimes your ass wants to answer a comment and sometimes you forget, and this is true. So I'm trying to wait and do a follow-up, like a 1 week. I think I'll do like a 1 week. No, maybe we'll do a 1 week. A 1 week review to see how it holds up, because I'm now working out every single day. Well, except for Sunday. So 6 days a week. So I want to see how it works for that. And, but I'm gonna wait. Listen. I want to go ahead and put this check, because do you guys see how good this hair looks? Let's have a moment of silence, because this hair, and it was only, I double checked, it was $9.99 at ebonyonline.com. I will check a couple of other different websites, because what I've noticed is that, because you guys trust my judgment, and for that I'm grateful, the first website that I put up, it sells out. Especially the color that I always wear, which is either a 1 or a 1B. It always sells out. So I'm going to give you, I know that there are other websites that carry it. I just don't want you to go to that website and pay 20 bucks for something that a website only has for 10. So I'm going to scour. There are 5 different websites that I know that I go to purchase stuff. I'm going to check the websites at those other 4 places, make sure that it's a good price, and I will make sure that I put 3 or 4 different options, so that when the first place does sell out, you guys have other places to get it. But this, for $20, initial impressions, I love it. I love that it's got volume. You guys know that I like big hair. It's not as coarse as like the ringlet one, which is my favorite, one of my favorite installs, the Lulutress ringlet one. So it's not as coarse as that. However, it's not as silky as a Lulutress Bohemian. It kind of lies in the middle, and for that I like. I like that it was only 10 inches, so I didn't have to worry about cutting. So you ladies out here who are like, I can't do what you do because you're too busy like cutting off half the hair and framing it and layering it, you don't have to do any of that. I gave you guys a 360. You didn't have to do, I didn't have to do, I legit just installed this hair. The update might have a giveaway, considering I bought 4 packs but only needed 2. The update might have me giving away those 2 packs of hair. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so you can be able to get the update and get all the giveaway details. Check out all my other videos, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you made it this far, thank you for sticking with me, because sometimes I can get long-winded. Appreciate your love and support, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.